Hey everyone, how's it going? Nathan here at InfoGamer. I know this video looks a little different than the other videos on our channel, and that's because it is. I'm actually holding up my phone with some tape at the moment because I've ordered a new tripod, which should be here in the next couple days. But I just want this video to be a quick update since it's been a while since I've published any videos. I think it's been about a week and a half. And that's because I actually, at the moment, have a lot of things on my plate, and I've been working on some other projects, some upcoming projects that I haven't released any videos for yet. Now, one of the biggest things that's happening right now in my life is that my wife and I are actually expecting our second child, which is super excited. We're having a baby girl, and she should be here within the next month or so. And so as you can expect, things around here have been a little crazy, but as far as the projects go that I've been working on, if you've been watching our series on the cross-platform native plugin, then you might have noticed that I show snippets of an upcoming game that I have been working on with my brother. Now the game is just about ready, and so we should have an official announcement within the next few days. And once we do announce it, I should be able to publish some new Photon tutorials, as the game that we're releasing is a multiplayer game, and I've learned a lot of new concepts related to multiplayer games. Now the next project I've been doing is I'm currently working on revamping our website. There's some additional features that I would love to have implemented, and I think these features will be very helpful when it comes to learning how to make video games. Now none of these features are for certain, and it's still a little too early to talk about what they are, but I wanted to let you know that even though I haven't been publishing any videos, I have been working very hard to bring new content. Now, I do want to thank all of you for your support. It's so exciting to see our subscriber numbers go up every single day, and I want to thank you for all of the positive feedback and comments that we receive. I also want to thank all of those that participate in the Discord and are helping to build the community there. Now, if you like this video and you think I should do some more journal type videos like this one, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments that you have down below. Then finally, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.